Former Indian cricketer Madan Lal is joining us live in the broadcast. Thank you so much for joining us on Republic TV, sir. And these reports have been going on after the debacle down under, as the way India underperformed at the BGT, and now we have these reports coming in since then, and there are dressing room leaks that are happening, and then we get to know about BCCI taking some strict measures, be it on the family stay, be it on Gautam Gambhir's assistant. No, there is something, there is a chronology to it, there is a logic behind it, there is no smoke without fire. While the BCCI says there's nothing of the sort, the fact remains that there are tensions, and that has clearly affected the performance of Team India, sir.
You see that when you lose the series, there's always going to be tension, because people expect them to win the series, But, the Indian team got a chance to win the series, but they missed it, And the Australian at the same time, they cashed the crucial point of the game, That's why they won the series. And other thing which the dressing room leak, it should not happen, Who's going to leak all these things? Only the member of the team, or the sports staff, or the manager, those who are inside. So that's not a right team spirit. If someone is talking and you leaking the things outside, that's not fair. But it always happen. Whatever you say, it's going to be outside, going to go outside. So I don't think there is any rift, because they are a professional cricketer. They know their job, that they have to perform. If they don't perform, they get criticism, or they go out of the team. So this thing happens every series you lose. What happened? क्योंकि हमने न्यूजीलैंड के साथ भी सीरीज हारी है, उसके बाद हमने पहले भी एक सीरीज हारी श्रीलंका के खिलाफ, और अब ऑस्ट्रेलिया की सीरीज जो हमने हारी है, उसकी वजह से ही there's a lot of criticism going on.
Right, sir. In fact, there are a lot of talks about Gautam Gambhir and his role. And अभी उनका टर्म खत्म नहीं हुआ है, अभी वक्त है उनके टर्म खत्म होने में, उनका जो पूरा कार्यकाल है. लेकिन अब कह रहे हैं कि चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी वो एक उनके लिए लिटमस टेस्ट हो सकता है, फाइनल टेस्ट हो सकता है. उनको लेकर तमाम तरह की खबरें हैं कि उनका जो असिस्टेंट है, उनके जो उनके असिस्टेंट है, वो VIP बॉक्स में बैठते आए हैं, वो क्यों वहां पर, सबके अपने स्टाफ हैं, सब लोग अपनी तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं. वहीं पर यह भी बात आ रही है कि गौतम गंभीर सुपरस्टार कल्चर खत्म करना चाहते हैं, इसलिए ये खिलाड़ियों को पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, इसलिए उनकी लड़ाइयां हो रही हैं. क्या आपको लगता है कि इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम में ट्रेडिशनली एक तरीका रहा है, जिस तरह से एक कोच, हमने बहुत बार देखा है, हमने विराट कोहली वर्सेस कुंबले देखा है, विराट कोहली वर्सेस गांगुली देखा है, ग्रेग चैपल वर्सेस हमने सौरव गांगुली भी देखा है, इस तरह के हमने पैटर्न्स बहुत बार देखे हैं. क्या लगता है आपको, कहां प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है जब एक नया कोच आता है?
I was also part of the coaching,
Yes,
I coached the Indian team for 1 year. Well, first thing, which you said about Gautam Gambhir, he must get a 1 year, You can't judge the performance of the coach, just for a couple of series. If you lose, he might be trying to build the team, बाकी देखिए, ये जो कल्चर है ना, ये रहा ही रहा है, स्टार कल्चर रहा ही रहा है. In India, we are heroes, the cricketers are heroes, and outside India they are all sportsmen, there's a lot of difference. So the culture raha hi raha hai, but the coach has to manage all these things, because there's a lot of big players in the dressing room. So how you handle it, that is the name of the game. When I was a coach, I had a bit of difficulty to handle all the stars, but you manage things, If you're going to be very strong-minded person, then you're going to get into the trouble, because I know Gautam Gambhir very well. He's a very honest man, and he always talks straight. But these stars doesn't like that sort of talk, straight talk. You have to manage. That's why I said you have to manage. But definitely you have to give him a time. He might have some ideas, Gautam Gambhir, how he is going to build up the team for a couple of years. It's not building a team is always going to be difficult, because that team will last for 5 years to win a lot of games for you. That might be he having his own mind. बट बाकी देखिए डिसिप्लिन बीसीसीआई का डिसिप्लिन करना बहुत जरूरी है. यू नो लाइक वी शुड टॉक अबाउट द क्रिकेट पार्ट ऑफ इट, नॉट टॉक अबाउट द वाइफ्स कि वो कब आएंगी कब जाएंगी. ठीक है, यू मेक ए रूल, बीसीसीआई शुड मेक ए रूल. दिस इज इट, यू नो. This is the rule we want to follow it. Convey to the players and the coach and the staff. You know, these things we want from you. That's it. If someone doesn't follow it, then good luck to him. You know, then they can take action. But not you know like making a rule for a couple of players, then making rules for other players. Those who are not superstars.
Yes, I will actually come to you on the rules bit because there are certain rules that have been changed apparently. We'll just discuss about that. I believe my colleague Ankit is joining us live on the broadcast from outside Gautam Gambhir's residence. I mean, try and get a word from Gautam Gambhir because Republic TV continues to get viewers. You all a 360-degree understanding of this and getting you voices from all sides because this is one of the biggest stories that we are tracking today. Madan Lalji, I'll just come to you again on the rules like, you know, the excessive baggage. I think Ankit is live with me. I'll just get a word from Ankit. Ankit, tell us more. Have you been able to communicate with Gautam Gambhir? What are you really picking up?
See, good afternoon, Rakshita. I'm standing right outside Gautam Gambhir's residence. Of course, Gautam Gambhir is making all the headlines currently because after a report, you know, came out in the open claiming that, you know, there's a rift inside the Indian cricket team. So we came and we tried to get deep into the story and just to find out, you know, what exactly is going on inside the Indian cricket team, the dressing room and all of that. Because we feel that, you know, the fans are being cheated. They are the stakeholders of the game. They are being cheated. They really don't know what is happening inside the dressing room. After the BGT loss, you know, India is out of the WTC final race as well. So yes, questions are bound to be asked right now, and we are standing outside Gautam Gambhir's residence. Somebody from inside, we apparently understand that's his personal secretary, came out and he spoke with us. He told us that Gautam Gambhir is not going to give us a bite because he's contracted with the BCCI, and but yes, we can confirm that he's inside his residence right now. We will be here. We will try to track this story and try to get a response from Gambhir.
Right.
Over to you.
Absolutely, of course. His performance is under scanner. Mr. Madan Lal, well, you know, we were talking about the new regulations that have been reportedly talked about and decided upon in the AGM. And now we have the extra luggage factor, which many of us did not know that, you know, the BCCI has been playing for the extra luggage 150 kg plus. You know, there are also talks about how wives and families will not be staying for more than a week or more than, you know, depending on the duration actually. So these things, weren't they there before? Who was bending the rule if they were not? And if they were given such freedom, why were they given that freedom? And then they were dreamed to be the superstars. You know, we see most of the players from other teams traveling in the same team bus, but there are some cricketers who actually go in their own individual vehicles with their own partners, which has been a culture. We've been seeing those visuals for quite some time, for many years now. So why weren't these you know, rules and regulations put in place much before? Does it take this absolute disaster, you know, in Australia to actually crack the whip?
I agree with you. They should have made the rule before, you know, like I definitely agree. Number one, you know, you said 150 kg. I don't know what they're carrying. You know, even if you carry a 4 or 5 bats, the weight is not going to be 150. I don't know about that. You know, BCCI should make a rule. You know, this sort of weight you can only going to carry. You know, so if you are overweight, you pay for it. They can afford it also. Second thing regarding the wives, I think, you know, BCCI again, I don't know, for the last 3, 4, 5 years, I've seen the wives are traveling with the team most of the time. And now you are making a rule because you lost the series. You should have made it before, like you said. But the thing is, you know, like last 14 days, okay, right, they can come in the last 14 days. But what happened, you know, if the players, kahe bhi theek hai, 14 days, but they can have their family outside, you know, not in the same hotel, but some other hotel. Then what will you do? आप क्या करेंगे? आप जब आप अपनी वाइफ को बुला लेते हैं और दूसरे होटल में ठहराते हैं और फिर आप क्या करोगे? द रूल, it's not about the wives, it's about the performance. You have to see the sports staff is there, the coach is there, the players are there. Like we lost the series because our big players are not performed.
Yes.
उन्होंने कुछ किया ही नहीं है. That's why we lost the series. And in the middle order, we didn't perform at all. So these are the rules, like now they are making, but in the last 4-5 years, there was no rule. Yes, now you have made the rule, they should follow it. And other thing which which you said, the players traveling on their own, that's not a very good idea. But the players should travel with the bus as a team, because you go from here as a team, and वहां पे भी आप जब भी आपको टीम या कहीं भी फंक्शन में जाती है, यहाँ खेलने जाती है, तो उसको ट्रेवल करना टीम के साथ बहुत जरूरी है. द मैनेजर, जो मैनेजर भेजते हैं बीसीसीआई वाले, वो क्या कर रहे हैं वहां पे? उनको चाहिए ना कि प्लेयर्स को बोलें. दे शुड हैव अ गट्स टू टेल देम, नहीं भाई, वी आर all going together. When I was a coach, I used to tell them कि look, ये हमारा फंक्शन है, ये हमारा जो प्लान है, तो यू टेल द प्लेयर्स, दे विल फॉलो इट. ऐसा नहीं है कि प्लेयर्स फॉलो नहीं करते, बट अगर किसी ने कुछ कहना ही नहीं है, इफ दे आर ऑन देयर ओन, देन यू आर इन ट्रबल, तो ये चीजें तो पहले ही आपको क्लियर कर देनी चाहिए थी.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Mr. Madan Lal, for joining us with your thoughts. As usual, of course, it is with great experience that you share those insights unfiltered. Thank you so much, Mr. Madan Lal, for joining us on Republic TV. Ankit, I'll just get a quick word from you. Just get a quick roundup of what really has happened, because this is the biggest story that we're tracking. Because we've seen, multiple reports coming out. It took this performance and those dressing room leaks that now we are again reading of those stories floating around, that how Rohit Sharma is going back, in Mumbai. He might just participate in the Ranji Trophy. Virat Kohli might, Virat and Pant might be. These are very nice stories that are coming out. But why they're coming out now? Why hasn't this been a norm in Indian cricket so far? Too occupied with the IPL, it seems.
Rakshita, whenever you think of this incident that's snowballing right now, it takes me back to 2017 when Anil Kumble was appointed as the coach of the Indian cricket team.
Yes.
Virat Kohli was at the helm of affairs back then, and Virat Kohli was very powerful back then, if you recall. And Anil Kumble, he had to leave his position as the head coach of Team India, because all Anil Kumble wanted was some discipline. That is exactly what Gautam Gambhir is looking for.
Yes.
He does not want that superstar culture inside the dressing room. And we know that in the past, if somebody has tried to, throw their muscle power around, they have been axed. For example, Greg Chappell, he lost his job. I mean, he was the coach of the Indian cricket team, he lost his job. The same happened with Anil Kumble. Is the same going to happen with Gautam Gambhir as well? That only time will tell. We are standing right outside Gautam Gambhir's house, and we are the only channel. Republic TV is the only channel that is over here outside Gautam Gambhir's house to get deep into the issue and try to find out what exactly is happening inside the Indian dressing room. Because we feel fans are being cheated, and they are the real stakeholders of the game.
Right, Ankit. Right, Ankit.
We are standing right outside Gautam Gambhir's house, and we spoke.
Right, Ankit. Thank you so much. We'll come back to you as we try and get more inputs and all sides of the story. But right now, we shift our focus to the other stories of the day that we are tracking for you.